the day we show you where we're staying in Bogota, Colombia. But first, we need haircuts. We've been kind of neglecting ourselves. I've been neglecting this poor guy. His beard's getting way crazy, which happens. So what do you want to do with your hair today?
Well, it's getting a little long and fluffy around here and around here. Whoa, beard trim.
So this guy needs a haircut big time. What do you think we should do? Let us know in the comments below.
Haircut.
I think I did pretty good.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know that?
He pays me in kisses. Okay, it's my turn now. So my big challenge now is that I'm going to cut my own hair with clippers because you can't travel with scissors in a carry-on bag. Airbnb in Bogota, Colombia. We've really loved it here, haven't we?
Oh yeah, this place is really, really awesome with the panoramic windows that are wrapping the entire condo here on the 14th floor. I got the altimeter on the phone and it actually says that it is at 8,700 feet above sea level, which is super high. That's more than a mile.
Yeah, like when we're doing our workouts, we both look at each other and we're like, is this extra hard for you today?
We've been getting smoked.
Yeah, it's been like that every single day. So it should be pretty interesting when we climb that mountain.
Yeah, absolutely. So this has been a really cool spot. And if you're wanting to check out this exact Airbnb, we'll actually drop a link down in the description. And if you've never used Airbnb before, hit the first link, which is gonna give you a discount on your first stay.
Yeah, we've totally loved this place. The kitchen has been so awesome. There's been a lot of room for us to like dance around and do our cooking thing. We cook most of our meals.
We've been cooking some really good meals here, especially with the markets that are around here with so much organic and fresh fruits and vegetables. It's been delicious.
And one of my favorite parts has been the gorgeous kitchen. We've been able to get back into a really good habit and really good routine of eating well and working out in the morning. And yeah, the kitchen has been prime for us both being able to dance around the space. It has everything that we need, which has been really cool.
One of my favorite parts here is when we're sitting at the dining room table, looking over the Andes Mountains to the south. It is absolutely picturesque. It is so freaking cool to be just nestled here within the Andes and just feeling the energy from nature all around us. It's been super, super cool.
Yeah, we totally loved it. There's nothing nicer than like when you know that you have to work and you've got to get stuff done, that you have an incredible view and that you're able to go out and explore during the days and come back to a beautiful space space that just feels really good. That's been this place. I think we're gonna miss it, aren't we?
We are. And pretty soon we're gonna be heading to our next destination, which is going to be
Medellin.
that is here in Colombia.
Yeah, so we're super excited about that. So keep following the journey. If you haven't yet, go ahead, click subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday that we come out with fresh content just for you.
Internet permitting, of course.
Of course. And give us a thumbs up or even share this with a friend if you think this could help them out.
And until next time, friends,
Adventure on.
adventure on.
Lots of love. Bye.